Welcome to our FAQ video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content. Deborah thinks to herself, "Gosh, I need to know everything about grammar in order to rectify all the errors in this paragraph." Deborah is a nurse preparing for her OET exam. She notices that the following paragraph was written by her in the near past and feels like there is something grammatically wrong with it, but she is not able to understand what they are. The errors made here are only because of one simple thing that Deborah was not able to implement: identifying verbs in a sentence. Identifying verbs correctly ensures that each sentence is grammatically complete and conveys a clear action or state, thereby preventing the creation of fragmented sentences. Let's look at some of them from the earlier paragraph. In the first fragmented sentence, there is no verb used. The sentence itself became complete when sat, the verb from the next fragment, was included. The second one starts with a verb. It should start with a noun or a modifier like a as given in the corrected sentence. In the third one, the verb is missing again. When it is added in the corrected sentence, it conveys a past event. Since the paragraph is talking about an event in the past, in the fourth sentence we can continue to use the past tense of the verb. In the incorrect sentence, it utilizes the present tense. And so on it goes with the other sentences in this paragraph. Let's say we now identified the verb in the previous paragraph. The corrected version would be like, "In the park, under the old oak tree, sat a cat watching birds. Its fur was sleek and black, its eyes gleaming in the sunlight, and its tail twitching with anticipation. Suddenly, it pounced, startling the birds, which flew away, leaving the cat disappointed. But it knew another chance would come." If Deborah understood her mistakes from the earlier paragraph, she could identify the errors in the following sentences. Can you? You are free to use your imagination and add or remove words as required to make it one complete sentence. For example, in the first two sentences, I have added words or made changes to the ones already there. For the others, I have removed words to make it one complete sentence. Don't forget, verbs are key to the meaning they convey, ensuring clarity in every word we speak or write. Make sure to identify verbs in a sentence to eliminate most common errors in English. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to inspire us to create more such content for you. Until next time, take care.